In today's video, I'm going to be building a very special gaming PC for two major reasons. Number one, it's all white. I have never done an all white build, believe it or not. And number two, the case that I have right here for my build, Corsair sent this over. It's called the Corsair Frame 4500X. This is not even available for purchase yet. So this is going to be one of the very first builds in the world inside of this case. So I'm super excited to show it off to you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the build. And just like that, our gaming PC is finally complete. I am super excited with the way it turned out. I think it looks super clean, but I'm definitely curious to hear your guys' thoughts. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. As always, I will leave links to all the hardware used to build this PC down in the description. So if you guys want to shop any of the parts, you guys can do that. Next week, I'm thinking I'm going to fully customize my white PC to look like the print stream from Counter-Strike 2. So make sure you subscribe if you guys want to see that. And until I see you on next week's video, go check out one of these, because for some reason, YouTube thinks you might like them.